Morning, folks. How are you doing? So after such a horrible experience with Viewfinity S8 27-inch a few days ago, today I had the Viewfinity S8 32 inches, and I will do unboxing video for you. So here's the box. Yeah. Viewfinity S8 32 inches. Exactly, it's 31.5 inches. So it equals 80 centimeter. Samsung Dex compatible. Okay, so I will introduce you a very small different notice between the SA 27-inch and 32 inches is it's just about the HDR. This version has the version of 32 inches has HDR 600 and the 27 inches has HDR 400. That's the only slightly different spec from the Samsung S8. Yeah, the style. 32 inches. So, yeah, I can say from the outlook is way better compared to the 27 inches. But you can see here, I still can see like the same error as last time, though this time it's not remarkable. Yeah, you can see at this point. Yeah. But last time it was horrible in it. Yeah. This side, you can see, you can notice. I don't know what happened like, with the manufacturer here, but you can see something like look seem like not all right. Yeah. But last time you can see the unboxing video of my S8 27 inch. 27 inches is horrible. You see HDMI display board. Yeah. LAN cable, LAN port, USB, and you can see the tool for external arm if you want, and here the charger. Here the stand. So I can try to get it close to my mic, so you can hear the sound material. Right, you can see it or not? Here the material. Yeah. Here's the arm. Here's the arm. I don't know if you can hear the sounds or not. The sound. Wait, Henry, come here. It's not stable, right? Bên trong là sắt, trong vỏ sắt. change the source to USB Type-C. They have two options: HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C. That's all you have. Okay, you see here, the first tab open. They show you how to register and model code and serial number. So, like what I said last time, man. Yeah, it's viewable from every option, every angle. From every angle, it's viewable. And the anti-glazing of this panel is unbelievable. It's unreal. Henry will show you like the wide angle. Yeah, and you can have a look closer, like up top, and like. The color profile is S32B 80 and P. I will change that to display P3. And scale actually, yeah, it's more space of the scale. So it's maximize the scale right now. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you, Lars. Thank Henry.